peri peri or barbecue? Peri peri. Just popped into Morrison's here in Denby. A few goodies. And some good offers there, fair play, good choices. I was after some Carolina Reaper bites, but they didn't have any in stock, I don't think. They did look for me though, fair play. So wait for them next time. Alright, so back home. Didn't get what I wanted. Didn't really plan doing this video, but I was trying these are hot and spicy from Morrison's, but I don't think they're that hot. We'll try them now. These are proper, you can see them, these are proper chicken I've cooked myself. They've all been salted, and this is the reason really. One of the shavers was doing a live on my Paul H's Wetheads Facebook group, and he mentioned this sauce. He said if you can get it. He said it was hot or something. So, and I've got a range of Tabasco sauces. Do you do much with Tabasco? Scorpion. Now David, you're over in I think it's Miami, Florida. You said to try a bit of that. So I've had that a while. This has got a good kick to it. This is the habanero. That one, habanero, and this one's the scorpion. And this one is just green pepper. I don't think that's a hot one. So I'm just going to try one of these. Standard taste. Mrs H wanted me to try this. Sticky toffee pudding, she loves anything like that. And I was like, it's 5%. So we'll try it. See. I just hope it's not sickly. It's a bit of a midweek hot and spicy, it's not really, but cheers, let's try it. Yeah, there's like a creamy toffee taste. It's meant to be between a beer and a lager. Try not to make this long. Right, if you can get hold of it, that's used in the hot ones on YouTube on their channel. Heat level 10 out of 10. First we feast, present hot ones, the last dab Apollo. That was sent to me kindly by Donald, so if he's watching. Right, what should we go with? This one, the green. I don't think this is hot. I'm going to try it. Yeah, it's just a peppery taste. Bit of vinegar in that. Put that one side. Oh, I'm down to try this, if you don't mind. Oh, here we go. Is it going to? Oh, makes a change. Ooh. Wow, wait a minute. Quite runny, is it? Oh yeah. Something in the background. Oh, taste is lovely. Wow. That is a lovely tasting sauce. I wouldn't, one drop does it. I wouldn't class it as hot. There is a coating of heat in the mouth, but it's not, well, it may be hot to you, but it's not hot to me, but it's a lovely flavour. I'll enjoy that. That is nice. Right, we'll step it up. We'll go with a scorpion Tabasco. You having a good week so far? I hope so. Should we try this with a normal? Try this with some normal chicken. What about? You see that? I love the flavour of scorpion and naga. I'm just going to try a bit more. I can feel something. I'll try that. Chicken. Right, so I can taste more heat now, so it's built up from the first bit I had. There's a good bit there. It's a very fiery taste flavour. As I say, I like scorpion flavour. The heat is in side of my mouth, side of the tongue, and just on the back of the throat. Nice flavour. So there is heat to it. But quite manageable. And that's the Tabasco Scorpion blend. And this, going back to this, the ingredients on this are, you won't believe this, ingredients: aged peppers, distilled vinegar and salt, and that's it. And it tastes beautiful. Right, we'll step it up, shall we? What's this stuff here? Extra mean green pocket hot sauce. These are from the States. Very lucky. I'll go back to one of these. These are meant to be hot and spicy, but they're not hot. But very flavoursome. Let me just make sure I'm... Heat index for smoking hot. Ghost pepper. I thought I knew the taste. Ghost pepper. Back of the throat. That has a kick to it. Pocket Pepper Company, is it? That's around in the mouth more, so that's got a good kick. I'm not saying these, probably having these as added to it, but that is that's a good kick. That it's nice. It's just sort of, you get the flavour first, ghost pepper, and now it's building into, well, it's built in the mouth. The heat, lovely, surrounds the whole mouth. Yeah. Wow, that's built up to a nice heat, that. Eyes are glazing a bit. Good sign. Lovely. Now I'm going to see, this is why I didn't want to try this sweet sort of beer, if it goes well with a spicy flavour. Here we go. Yeah, it's alright. It's not my sweet and this, not for me. But it's a nice beer, I'm not going to waste it. So that is a builder, and it's still there now. Wow, that's good. And I didn't think that'd be one of the hot ones. Well, one missing somewhere. I thought I had another Tabasco, hang on. I'm making a mess. That's just going now. If you can get that, try it. Which one? Ah, there it is. So this is the habanero Tabasco. Now you can see I've used a good bit of this. It's down to here. This has a good kick to it. Little bottle, but I'm just wondering, the Scorpion has something there. If this is better, mind you, I've got heat in my mouth now, but I'm going to try. Only bits come on. I'll try that. There's a habanero flavour. I think this one, if I remember, you add it like this in bits, and then, well, as I eat it anyway, it builds up. Good chicken. Hope you don't mind this. Mind you, I don't want it to go on either. So this has a nice flavour, habanero. Trouble is, it doesn't feel as hot with having all these others, because there's already there's a heat in my mouth. But if I've had nothing and I had that first, you'd feel a kick to it. Small little bottle, but it's got a kick to it. Nothing major, but it's got a kick to it. If you like normal Tabasco, I think leave them alone if you think them are hot. Well, have we got one more now? This is the last dab. This is hot stuff. They usually have this, it's the last dab. Or the Apollo pepper. So this is, I think the Apollo is the one up from Carolina Reaper, the next one up I think, but it's not been made officially as far as I know the hottest pepper in the world yet. But I don't know why, but we'll see. I think it is, isn't it? Ready? You don't need a lot of this. Go with that. Man, that chicken's lovely. I think this is the one that makes you scream and shout. Well, not scream and shout, but some of the contestants on that show have been, oh my god, oh my god. So the flavour is intense straight away. It's not the, it's like the Reaper for me. See, I don't like the Reaper taste. That isn't a, how can I say, for flavour I wouldn't be reaching for that often, but it's got heat. It has got heat to it, but you know, it's doable. It's nice. Well, the heat is nice, but I'm not keen on the flavour. Has that sort of, well, not Reaper, but that type of thing. You see, I'm not keen on Reaper. I don't like the flavour of Reaper, but I love the heat it gives. So what I do is I mix it with chilli I like Naga, Scorpion, Scotch Bonnet, Habanero, Jalapeno, thank you, Ghost Pepper, whatever, and just use the Carolina Reaper for the heat aspect, just to give it that boost. We could do the same with this really. If you had it in cooking, it would give a kick, but it has a, it does have a kick to it, but it is doable. It's the last Darb is usually the last one they use if they haven't changed it again this year. But this was the hottest one they do on the show, I think, at the end. But it is doable, yeah, no problem. But flavour's not great, but the heat is good. But it's not over the top. That is it. I don't want it to go on. Just a quick, in the week, try of sauces, lovely chicken, couple of beers, and as I say, that was the main thing I was trying. Louisiana sauce, beautiful sauce. I wouldn't class it as hot, but very, very tasty. That's lovely. Right. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of the week. Look after yourselves, and see you in the next video. You may see me before Saturday again. You never know your bad. You never know your luck. Well, you don't have to watch it if you don't fancy it. Yeah, so all the best. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one. Tatty bye for now, as Ken Dodd used to say. Cheers. Creamy toffee.